Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This review is coming from QVR hair. Everything about this unit will be in my description box below, so let's get started. She is a V-part kinky curly unit. Obviously I see the girlies on YouTube and TikTok and they use a crochet method with this type of unit. Today I am going to have my actual hair out. As y'all can see, the inside of the unit comes very secure. She has multiple combs, she has clips, she has a drawstring, and she also does have that elastic band inside the unit as well. So right now I am going to be prepping my hair. I'm going to only leave a little bit of my hair out because I don't want to manipulate too much of my real hair on top of this unit. So you guys see I am putting those clips in my head. And so right now I'm going to start the blending process. I will be using my extreme gel along with my Nairobi foaming mousse throughout the video. I believe this step is very tedious for my girls that have to manipulate their curl pattern to match this actual unit's curl pattern. But I feel like in the end, it's definitely worth it just to kind of go slow and just work the actual product within your hair. Looking back on this video, I wish I would have added some water to my hair and then added the gel so it could have had a tighter hold. What I will critique about the security of this unit though, the drawstring didn't give me a tight fit. I wish it was more elastic to it, but of course those combs and the clips and the elastic band inside, kind of help that out. So right now I'm going in and shaping up the unit. Obviously with natural hair, especially when it gets wet, it will experience some shrinkage. So I want to go in and kind of frame my face up and cut around. So you won't see a huge difference between where my hair starts and where the actual unit begins. Overall, I really did like this unit. The texture of this unit was very soft. She did not shed, she didn't tangle. This is definitely going to be a staple wig for the fall. I love the highlights in this unit. I love how easy it was for me to blend. What I would kind of do next time definitely is see if I could manipulate the actual unit's curls and go from there. I do love how this is such a good protective style. I didn't use no heat glue or any type of product that was going to damage my hair, so this was always a plus. I love a big curly unit, and yeah, y'all, this is the final look. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank QVR Hair for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.